Good day, everyone. This is Hurobo Bible Reading Platform. Today I'm reading Matthew chapter 10, verse 16 to 20 in Hurobo language. I'll be remount you, Uyomi Ronyi Ikwe, Awo Ronyi Ikwe Gbesan, Rite Uje, Owo Ikwe Gbesan, Nigere, Miji Owa, Kere, Igegede, Rehe, Uherevie, Re, Ikporokpo, Wagba Ware, Kere, Orodeko, Re, Weru Deden, Kere, Ilekuku, Owo Ikwegbe Igwen, Eke Vovo, Owa Joma Hoto, Kidie Eke Mu Owa Kpo Egware, Ve Evuri Synagogue, Ke anyị keru Owa Oja, Owo Ikwegbe Rere, Keke Mu Owa Re Ikeferi, Ve Ivie, Wi Fikime, Ke Owa Dia Isere, Ke Oture Ikeferina, Owo Ikwegbe Rere, Eke Vovo, Edemu Owa, Waru Ewa, Re Obo, Re Owa, Kata, Kidie, We Okeyena, Keke Ge Obo, Re Wora, Kewe, Owo Uje, Kidie, Odia Owe, Reta Otana, Eke Vovo, Eri, Re Osena, Onye, Reta Ota, We Evunwe, We Kobiro.